Learn English to Gujarati. Conscious, precise and questionable with.
ચોક્કસ
And.
શંકાસ્પદ.
Welcome to Big Brain Words. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously smart English to Gujarati vocabulary, and yes, we will make it less painful than a surprise grammar test. Today you will meet 8 strong words and make them memorable with funny scenes, short dialogues, and quick practice. Your words are conscious, precise, differentiated, nuanced, ambivalent, stringent, plausible, and questionable. In Gujarati, that gives you
કોન્ઝીસ ચોક્કસ અલગ પાડેલું સૂક્ષ્મભેદસભર દ્વિધાગ્રસ્ત કડક સંભવિત લાગતું
and.
શંકાસ્પદ.
If your brain looks nervous, tell it to stay.
કોન્ઝીસ
Word parade. Let's meet the words one by one, like a parade of very educated guests who somehow all arrived overdressed. Conscious means awake or aware. In Gujarati, say.
કોન્ઝીસ
Example, she stayed.
કોન્ઝીસ
After the fall. Precise means exact. In Gujarati, say.
ચોક્કસ
Example, please give me a.
ચોક્કસ
Answer. Differentiated means clearly separated or adapted by difference. In Gujarati, say.
અલગ પાડેલું.
Example, the teacher used an
અલગ પાડેલું.
approach. Nuanced means full of subtle differences. In Gujarati, say.
સૂક્ષ્મભેદસભર.
Example, her review was.
સૂક્ષ્મભેદસભર.
Ambivalent means having mixed feelings. In Gujarati, say.
દ્વિધાગ્રસ્ત.
Example, I feel.
દ્વિધાગ્રસ્ત.
About moving. Stringent means strict. In Gujarati, say.
કડક.
Example, the school has
કડક.
rules. Plausible means believable or likely. In Gujarati, say.
સંભવિત લાગતું.
Example, that excuse sounds.
સંભવિત લાગતું.
Questionable means doubtful or suspicious. In Gujarati, say.
શંકાસ્પદ.
Example, that website looks.
શંકાસ્પદ.
A very serious office disaster. Now let's throw all the words into one silly story, because vocabulary sticks better when people behave like chaotic cartoons. On Monday morning, the office intern arrived looking barely.
કોન્ઝીસ
Carrying a coffee the size of a flower pot. The manager asked for a
ચોક્કસ
report, but the intern had created an
અલગ પાડેલું.
chart with 17 colors, 3 arrows, and 1 drawing of a suspicious potato. Strangely, the chart was also.
સૂક્ષ્મભેદસભર.
It showed tiny but important differences between boring datasets. The manager felt
દ્વિધાગ્રસ્ત.
impressed but also afraid. Then compliance arrived with
કડક.
rules about file names, coffee safety, and apparently potato drawings. The intern explained that the potato was part of a marketing strategy. It sounded oddly.
સંભવિત લાગતું.
For about 3 seconds, until the manager noticed the potato was wearing sunglasses and labeled CEO. At that moment, the whole presentation became deeply
શંકાસ્પદ.
quick dialogues. Listen to these mini conversations and imagine the characters trying very hard to sound intelligent at a party. A. Are you awake? B. Yes, I am.
કોન્ઝીસ
A. Was the measurement exact? B. Yes, it was.
ચોક્કસ.
A. Is this lesson the same for every student? B. No, it is.
અલગ પાડેલું.
A. Is the issue simple? B. No, it is.
સૂક્ષ્મભેદસભર.
A. Do you want the job? B. I am.
દ્વિધાગ્રસ્ત.
A. Are the rules lenient? B. No, they are.
કડક.
A. Does his story sound believable? B. Yes, it seems.
સંભવિત લાગતું.
A. Do you trust that source? B. It looks.
शंकास्पद.
Memory tricks that actually behave. Here are some fast memory hooks, because your brain loves shortcuts almost as much as it loves snacks. 4.
Coinsies.
Imagine wide open eyes and a mint candy wake up blast. Conscious equals alert. 4.
Choccus.
Picture a dart landing exactly in the center. Precise equals exact. 4.
अलग पाडेलू.
Imagine spices sorted into neat jars. Differentiated equals separated clearly. 4.
सूक्ष्मभेद सफर.
Picture a painting with many tiny shades. Nuanced equals full of subtle differences. 4.
द्विधाग्रस्त.
See yourself standing between two doors, wanting both and neither. 4.
कड़क.
Imagine a strict teacher with a ruler and zero patience for nonsense. 4.
संभवित लागतू.
Hear a detective say, it could be true. 4.
शंकास्पद.
Imagine a shady website with blinking pop-ups that promise free gold and maybe a dragon. Very.
शंकास्पद.
Mini quiz time. No panic. This quiz is friendly. It does not wear a cape, and it cannot judge you much. What is the Gujarati word for conscious?
Coinsies.
What is the Gujarati word for precise?
Choccus.
What is the Gujarati word for differentiated?
अलग पाडेलू.
What is the Gujarati word for nuanced?
सूक्ष्मभेद सफर.
What is the Gujarati word for ambivalent?
द्विधाग्रस्त.
What is the Gujarati word for stringent?
कड़क.
What is the Gujarati word for plausible?
संभवित लागतू.
What is the Gujarati word for questionable?
शंकास्पद.
Your challenge today. Now it is your turn. Yes, you, the brave learner with excellent taste in vocabulary. Say one sentence about a person who is.
Coinsies.
Give a
Choccus.
answer to a simple question like, what time is it? Describe a class or plan that is.
अलग पाडेलू.
Explain a movie character in a
सूक्ष्मभेद सफर.
way. Talk about one decision that makes you feel.
द्विधाग्रस्त.
Name one place with
कड़क.
rules. Invent an excuse that sounds
संभवित लागतू.
but not too creative. We are learning language, not planning a spy novel. Finally, spot one online claim that seems
शंकास्पद.
friendly. Goodbye. You made it, and your brain is now wearing slightly smarter glasses. Thank you for learning with me today. You practiced conscious, precise, differentiated, nuanced, ambivalent, stringent, plausible, and questionable with their Gujarati forms.
Coinsies. Choccus. अलग पाडेलू. सूक्ष्मभेद सफर. द्विधाग्रस्त. कड़क. संभवित लागतू.
And
शंकास्पद.
keep practicing, say the words aloud, make your own funny examples, and come back for another round soon.